What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the Lafos 16-inch smartphone display. Here is the box. It looks like it came straight out of Apple. Here's a quick look at the sides, back, as well as the other side. Let's go ahead and start to unbox it. So right away we have the beautiful 16-inch display, and this is like a space gray color here. It looks really sleek and modern. It's got one power button located right here. It's got built-in speakers on the bottom. On the rear, we have the connection for the video input. This works with iPhone and Android phones, as well as the power connector here. I'm going to remove this shipping protector here. And now that gives us the ability to tilt the monitor up and down, as well as swivel it horizontal or vertical position. The other items in the box are a user manual. This product is really simple to use, so I'm not going to use that here. And inside of the packaging, we also have the connector. I have here the lightning connector for an iPhone, and it appears to be a female USB-C plug on the other end. And we also have the power adapter here. It is a DC barrel connection. So to set this up, I'm going to connect the power on the rear of the device. I'll connect the other end here and turn it around. And here I have my iPhone. The screen is ready to go. Simply just plug it in. You'll notice the iPhone starts charging right away, and instantly the display is mirrored onto this 16-inch screen. So I like to use this device a lot of times when I'm reading articles. It makes it really easy to see. So instead of staring at the small screen, it makes it really easy to view articles on the internet, or if you're reading an ebook. Also, it supports YouTube as well as any other streaming apps. So you can come in here, watch reels. This is kind of fun to do if you're just sitting at the table, eating lunch, and you want to scroll through these reels. Also, it supports landscape mode. So you'll notice we can flip this over. And on our iPhone, we turn the display, and it's fully in landscape mode. You'll notice the audio is coming out of the speaker as well. So the speakers sound pretty good. It does have a good amount of bass to it, and it does get pretty loud as well. If you do want to use your own Bluetooth headphones, that also works as well. So you can use this device as well as Bluetooth headphones. So it makes viewing the screen on your iPhone or Android device really easy and simple to use. Again, really just intuitive, simple. Turn the screen on and off. If you turn the screen off, it continues to charge the iPhone. When you're ready to go, you just turn it back on, and instantly it comes up back here again. And again, this is great for sharing content with your friends. Say you're in the same room and you don't want to stare at the small screen. You can throw it up here, and it makes it really easy to use. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link down below to Lafos' website. They have this smartphone display on their website and ready for purchase, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.